We are here for one simple reason: to demand for the immediate release of Justice Mark Chidiebere, popularly known as Justice Krah. He is known on social media. He is an activist who calls for accountability and transparency in government. Recently, he has made videos that were critical of the Nigerian military, calling for what? Their betterment of their welfare, and speaking on an issue of a young man who was allegedly killed by military officers. And somehow he has today gone missing since Tuesday, 28th of April. Every tracking from both personnel and the Nigerian police, FCT command, have shown that he's in locations that are tied to the Nigerian military, between the Army War College, the State House Clinic, and also the Nigerian Army Officers' Wives Association shopping complex in Asokoro. So that is why Nigerians today are calling on every agency of government, whether DSS and the Nigerian Army. And a citizen of this country cannot disappear because he criticized government. It is not a crime. Underground detention centers that are held are supposed to be for hardened criminals and terrorists today are holding people who speak up in defense for democracy and for a better country. Meanwhile, we are granting repentant terrorists rehabilitation into the system. What Nigerians are calling for is Justice Mark Chidiebere is a peaceful citizen. He's a father. This is his wife. A father of 2 children. He has an 11-month-old baby. Any person who is holding him, the Nigerian military and the DSS must immediately tell Nigerians the whereabouts of Justice Mark Chidiebere and release him to his family and go after criminals and armed robbers. This is a country where people are free to hold government accountable and nobody. And if today we allow this kind of level of criminality to happen where people can disappear, imagine what will happen. Tomorrow it will be people from the media. At a point it used to be somebody called Dadiata. Till date, we are saying no. Nothing must happen to Justice Krah. He must be released back to his family and his friends alive and well. And then law enforcement should go after criminals, not peaceful citizens. Thank you.
Please, I'm appealing to the government to please release my husband. He's a father. He's not a criminal. Please. Please, the government, I'm begging you, please release my husband. Please.
Please.
So, why do you hold your husband?
I don't know why they held him. I don't know the reason why they held him.
But he's not a criminal.
He's not a criminal. My husband is not a criminal. He's just an activist. He's not a criminal. He has never done anything bad in his life. So I don't know why he should be kept with criminals.